Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul for the month of September. I'm just gonna say month of September. I've been picking up a few things here and there, and I just wanted to share it with you. Starting off with something I thought was very different. These Girl Scout Thin Mint cereals by General Mills, guys. Of course, when we see this, we think about the Girl Scout cookies, and I cannot wait to try these. All right. Also, I picked up these stickers here. I actually picked up 2 of these because I thought these were so cute. And these stickers kind of remind you of the Happy Planner Create 365 stickers. And they have an array of different types of stickers on the back here. I'll flip through it real quick here. Of course, you see that one with the flamingos and the pineapples, sunglasses, and very cute stickers. This is the page I really love with the gold. But different stickers, this is worth way more than $1. Like that weekend there. Get organized. Very nice. And then I picked up these. But it really reminds you of the Create 365 stickers. I'm trying to flip through it really quick, guys. But if you see these in your store and you are into planning, they are worth the buck. Alright. So I have those. And guys, when I see these in my Dollar Tree, I picked them all up. I picked up 10 of these, picked up every last one that they had, and it's these guest towels that I love to use in my bathrooms. So yes, I picked up 10 of these in white. Holidays coming up and I want to be well stocked. I picked up 2 of these candle holders here, and you can see that they are different sizes. This one is smaller than this one. I want to do a little DIY, something very simple for the holidays. And yeah, so I picked up the 2 different sizes. Then I picked up 3 of these candle votives, and they have different patterns on them. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. But I love picking these up in the different colors, the silvers, the golds, the reds. And this has a stripe pattern on it. But I picked up 3 of these. I pick these up all the time. Alright. And guys, I picked up 6 of these also. These beautiful candle holders or tea light holders here in gold. Thought these were very nice as well. Don't know if I will keep them in the gold tone, we'll see. But I may keep some in gold and go back and get some more and spray paint them silver or even copper. Alright, will look beautiful in copper. Picked up 6 of those. I picked up 2 packs of these 8-count tea light candles here in the yellow tone. It's called Crackling Fire. Thought these would be perfect in my office to give me that fall smell. So I'm smelling them through the package. I hope they burn just as well. Give me that smell that I'm looking for. But yes, I picked up 2 packs. I picked up 3 scoops with the soft grip handle to have on hand. This is good for ice, or if you have containers that you need to scoop like rice or flour or anything in. These are good for that use. All right, so I have 3 of those. And guys, I told you I was gonna pick up 2 more of these plates here, so I can have a total of 10. I love to have a set of at least 10 to 12. I usually try to pick up 10, but yeah, I picked up 2 more of these black and white plates for just to complete my set that I wanted. As you can see here, I have about 8 of these containers here, these glass bowls with lids. I love collecting these to put fruit and cut up veggies in these. The containers that I usually use, they have walked away. Between my dad and my son Frankie, that's off in college. Yeah, so until I can get some more of those, I picked up these. These work just as good. Again, I got 8 of these. And how cute is this little dish here that says hello gorgeous. They had another one shaped in a heart. I can't recall what it had on it, the saying that was on that, but I thought this was super cute to throw my rings or my bracelets or my watch on. So I just picked up 1 and thought these were really cute. These trivets that says love, laugh, and gather together. I picked up 1 in the square because that's all they had. And then I actually picked up 2 in the circular, the round one. But I thought these were very pretty, especially coming up on the holidays. Love, laugh, and gather together. All right. So if I come across more of these, I will definitely pick these up. Now I picked up 3 of these. And I'm definitely not gonna leave these as they are, because I do not love or like skulls, and I don't care for Halloween. But I picked up 3, and I may go back and get like 3 more. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna work these for a DIY. I don't know how soon, but we'll see. I picked up 2 packs of these vanilla cream bath bombs. Guys, I've never tried these, so if you've tried these before, leave in the comments down below and let me know what you thought of them. They were up by the register, and I was like, well, they have 3 in a pack, so that's not bad at all. So I'll give them a try, because I'm actually a shower girl, but on occasion I love to sit in my sit in the tub and soak. All right, so yeah, I'll have these on hand. Dollar Tree had the acorn decorations by the fall decor, and I picked up 4 bags of these. I'm thinking about painting them. If I am really bored, I'm gonna sit down and paint these the colors that I want. We'll see. But yeah, you get a 12 count in each packet, so not bad at all. I picked up 2 more packs of these 3 count Thankful, Harvest, and Welcome for a DIY coming up really soon. All right, so stay tuned for that. Very nice metal words. So I stocked up on these. I have several of these that I just want to keep on hand for years to come as far as fall is concerned. And I picked up 2 cans of the Sure Scents pumpkin air freshener. I want to place one upstairs and have one downstairs. When my boys see this, this is probably going to walk into their room or their rooms. But yeah, I may just go on and purchase a couple of cans for their room so they can have them and leave mine alone. Alright guys, I picked up some more of these Kiss nails. I actually thought I picked up 2 square and 2 oval, but I didn't. I picked up 1 square and 3 ovals, but that's okay. I love these because I can paint them the color that I want, and they last a very long time. The sassy and sheet nails, they are okay, but these last longer, and I love these. So every time I see these, I pick them up. I pick up about 3 or 4 each time I go in there. And I picked up some sassy and chic nail glue. They did have the Kiss, but it was not, it was smaller. It was a smaller bottle than this, so I went on and picked up the sassy and chic nail glue. Guys, Dollar Tree has their fall colors out in their bins, and I picked up about 8 of these, and I'm utilizing them, all of them. What I did, I put my different pumpkins in them to store them, and as you can see there, these are the glass ones. Well, to sort them, yeah. And I have a lot of pumpkins, guys, but I did this to sort them out. Again, I bought 8 of them. They have orange, and I cannot recall the other color, but I picked them up in the fall red tone. Then I also picked up this liner, or adhesive covering is what they're calling it. You know, they have it in the gray and white, but I wanted it in this color as well because I do love this color also. Have no clue what I'm gonna do with it. I had in mind a DIY project. I need to do all these DIY projects that I have in my head. But yeah, so I picked up 2 rolls. Very pretty. This is just as pretty as the gray and white that they have in Dollar Tree. And guys, I received my Grove Collaborative for this month. I really didn't need any of this stuff because I have stuff from last year, but I didn't have this scent. So I'm gonna unbox it and let you see what I have. Alright guys, as you can see here, I picked up the set of Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin scent, the multi-surface cleaner, the hand soap, the dish soap, and I have a candle here also, and it is a soy candle. So this was the only thing I picked up. I am going to venture off pretty soon and try some of their other products. I'm just trying to use all the products that I have on hand before I order any other cleaners. But yeah, I ordered this and I can't wait to use this. This smells so good. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Just a few things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well as my Grove Collaborative. I can get all this stuff put away. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.